sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplane, night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, a wish right now. For us to find, forgotten the taste and smell of the world that she's left behind. It's all about the exposure, the lens I told her. The angles are all wrong now, she's ripping wings off the butterflies. Keep your feet on the ground, while your head's in the clouds. So go get your shovel, and we'll dig a deep hole. On the dirty ground, her prince find a king to save her, and the rest she can't figure out. But it was a trick, and the clock struck 12.